Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and in this video I'm going to show you another van we've got for sale, hot off our production line, and it's another micro camper. This one's on a Vauxhall Vivaro. Now, I don't know if you remember me saying they can come on the Vauxhall Vivaro, the Fiat Scudo. We've got in at the minute a lovely black Toyota Proace, and that's an automatic as well, so it's gorgeous, that one. So they come on different models, but it's the same van, same with the Fiat and the Citroen and so on. Now this one is on a Vauxhall Vivaro, lovely van, very clean van, low mileage, only done 22,000 miles. It's got some lovely extras, aircon, sat nav as always, cruise control, passenger airbag, things like that. And that's the minimum spec we really build on these vans. They've got to be quality enough to build on, and they've got to be a nice camper van spec, so you get all the benefits and enjoy it. Now if you look on the outside, it's quite striking as always, and very low, and that's the beauty of these micro campers. Like I've said before, it's not so much micro in length because it is a 5-metre van, but it is micro in height. Any multi-storey this can fit in. It can even go in a home garage depending on which size it is, but I believe a standard home garage is about this height. So this is 1.93 metres, under the 2-metre height. And it's a gorgeous day here at Rotherham as well. Lovely sunny day. Now this one's got wheel trims on. You can have alloy wheels put on there if you prefer, but it has got 17-inch steel wheels with some lovely factory wheel trims on, and round the front, very striking as always. Very high spec, cornering fog lights. It's got the side running lights and so on. Really nice spec on this. Now it has got side, these are called side running bars. Now if you don't like them, they can be removed quite easily. It's just a bolt on extra from underneath. So if you don't like them, I think they're quite nice, and they do stop a lot of damage. I think that's what they're made really to do. So if you scrape a wall or something, they protect the vans, they protect the sills of the van. So they are quite useful at times. So a lovely van, like I say. On this side you've got your electric hookup as well. So we're running around the van. It's got a nice protective bumper plate, so you don't mark the bumper when you're climbing in and out, things like that. And it's on a 2022 reg, so 2022. Now if we open the door, and don't forget factory glass. We always put nice clear glass in our vans because it feels like daytime when you're in it. When it's a full tint, it feels like night time. And both front windows open as well. We always put twin sliding opening windows. And as you can see in the back, lovely colour scheme, it really is. This is, I'll get it right, don't tell me Jess, I'm going to try and guess it. Is it Misty Blue?
Tyrollean.
See, I won't be able to say that. Tyrollean. I did now I've mentioned it. That's it. So it is a blue colour, and it's a lovely blue. There's a few different kinds of blues there, and with a white gloss. So that's really striking. We've got the rib bed as always. That's really nice as well. And on the control panel you can see what's in your batteries, turn all your bits and bobs on. You've got your light switches, mains, power, and lots of USBs. There's a normal and Type-C now as standard. On this side we've got a lovely big sink and combination unit, and that works off a pump. And underneath the back, or underneath this cupboard, there is a water container. Which the good thing about a water container system is you can access it from the other side because it's a twin sliding door, this vehicle. All these models come with both doors, well, a door on each side, which helps you access the back of the kitchen. So then you can get your water out, and with it being in a tub, you can wash it out, you know it's clean, and you can carry it to any tap, toilet, anywhere, and fill up again quite easily. And below that is your Portaloo cupboard. So there will be a cupboard in there what's got the Portaloo in, and you can access that, and you can use that at night time, because don't forget when your bed comes out, it only comes to this area, letting you access your fridge and your Portaloo at night time. Jess is sat in the front spinning chair, so that spins round, a single chair, and you can walk between the chairs, so you don't have to get out of the van to enter the back. So if you're in heavy traffic, if you're in a traffic jam and you need to get something out of the back, as long as you're stationary, then you can just nip in without actually getting out of the vehicle coming in. You've got a lovely fridge in there. Now we've got the Victory Frigo option in this one. Really good usable fridge these are, with a little freezing compartment as well, and they work wonderful. That's a compressor fridge, and it will just run solely off your leisure battery. Now this van has yet to have a solar panel put on. It's waiting for the new customer to choose. and because you might want to go off-grid more than most people, and if that's the case, you can put a massive solar panel on. We do some 270s what are amazing, nice Austrian panels, or you can just go small enough to make it usable. 120 watts is fine, and like I say, in the summer 120 watts is perfect, but if you do a lot of off-grid camping over winter, then bigger's better with solar, which is great. And in this side we've got the pull-out drawers, some really nice long pull-out drawers, and it makes it really accessible. So you can really get to all your cupboards and bits and bobs like that. So you're not having to rummage on your knees to the back of a cupboard. Everything's there. Behind here you've got a nice big wardrobe with a tambour drawer. Now you can have a shelf in there, but we leave it open mainly because you can shove a big duffel bag in from the back, and then or you can have it shelved and you can put your stuff away. And there is a little drop-in hatch down here to give you more access underneath where the battery is, and there's a bit more storage down there as well. So we always try and think of clever solutions and maximise the space in all our vans. And let me show you the roof. So to pop the roof, dead easy, you just pull these straps out, and these stop it from obviously coming out when you're driving around. And it's a very simple system. You literally just pull those straps out, give it a push. Now you do need a side door or a window open because it causes a vacuum. So even when you're shutting it, you must open a door, otherwise you won't be able to get the air out, the excess air. Same when you're opening it as well. Now it's a bit dark up there because it's not got the curtains open. So you've got two mesh sides on, and then at the front you have got a full mesh window, a full plastic window as well. So lots of space, and as you can see, you know, when the roof's up, it's gorgeous. We've got plenty of head height there. This bed pulls down, there'll be a mattress up there for you, and there's even a little drop-in section where this stops about here. There's a drop-in section where you can put that in if you wish, and then you've got an entire roof front to back, which is probably 7-8 foot. You know, it's a good sized bed up there if you want it to be. And all blackout curtains on all the windows, things like that. This one's got a reversing camera, which you can have on all the time as you're driving as well, so that's quite a nice touch. And money wise, it's let me have a look. The sticker's on the outside. So like I say, it's got 22,000 miles, 2022 reg, 23,000 miles, and it's a manual version, 6-speed, cruise control, sat nav, cruise control, not sat nav. They have connectivity for your phone, so you can mirror your phone on there, whether it's iPhone or Android, which is great because I had maps. I drove this down to a show recently, absolute beautiful drive, and I said to Sonia when I got down, why don't we have one of these as our car, because we've got car trouble at the minute, and instead of spending all this money mending the car, we should have one of these, because for the car it really does double up as a main vehicle. It's a cracking van, and all that for 45,999. So a fraction under 46k, comes with a 3-year warranty from ourselves. In the conversion side, it'll come with an aftermarket 1-year warranty, and that gives you peace of mind where you've got the vehicle for the engine room and gear bits and bobs like that. So if you think this van's for you, or if you want to see more on it, we have got an open day coming up as well. Check the website for our open day dates, and drop us an email, give us a phone, and come and see it for yourself.